So today I'm going to do a more in-depth tutorial on how to add the magnet to the QiYi clock. So first we got to disassemble it. If you know how to disassemble a clock, you can skip forward. So for the QiYi clock, you just need a small Phillips screwdriver. Now this one I have already kind of set up, so the nuts in the back are glued in place. Yours, the nuts will fall out, and don't lose them. And then it's actually the easiest to come in here with a flathead screwdriver to pry things apart. Gently pry things apart, I should add. Okay. And here we go. So the pieces that we're going to be adding magnets to is going to be the center dials. So you can take a look at what one already modified looks like. Oh. Compared to a non-modified one. So the modified has those magnets in it. I'm going to show you how to add magnets. Now keep in mind, only add magnets to the center dial. Don't add them to the plus dials and things like that. I'm going to be doing that here as a demonstration, but you are adding them to these center dials. So to do that, it is real simple. Take your teeny tiny little magnets, figure out which way they go, put it in the slot, pull away, and now it's in there. And you do that around, come on. There we go. Around the whole clock. So these all have it. So you can stop and only put 6 and see if you like that magnetic strength. So if you look, only these 6 have the magnets, and you can go from there. Otherwise, keep adding them until they're all in there. Do that for both the black and the white. Assemble it and see what you think. If you only put the 6, don't think it's clicky enough, then go ahead and add the other magnets in there. Reassemble your clock and give it a shot. Once you have your magnets in both of the center dials, go ahead and reassemble. So the way I reassemble this is I have as much as possible on one side. So that's going to be the screws and the pins and the corners. Make sure everything is seated down in there. I take note of which way 12 is. 12 is down right now. And we put the two pieces together, and it's kind of a little bit of fumbling the first couple times you do it, but you get used to it. Come on. There we go. And then just screw it back together. As far as I can tell, tensions don't really matter. Because it's running on magnets and not springs, there's no real tension issue. And now see if you like this clickiness better. There you go.